Welcome back. We learned a lot about MapReduce in our previous lectures. As a part of this lecture, we will wrap up the MapReduce section. We understood MapReduce. What is MapReduce? MapReduce is a programming model for a distributed processing which has a map step, which has a reduce step. We understood this through a story of biryani and pasta, and also we understood we have map phase, we have shuffle and sort here, we can have reducers, we can have combiners in between mapper and reducer to improve the parallelism and all these things. Why did we really spend good amount of time on MapReduce? Because MapReduce was one of the early programming models for distributed processing. Since it was one of the early distributed processing models, there are so many aspects to learn in a distributed processing here. As you know, the distributed processing is introduced at different levels, at a map level, at a reducer level, and also we introduce the combiners as well. In a way, MapReduce programming model explains how the distributed processing is tackled at a different stages to get more done in a less time. That is the reason we spend good amount of time in MapReduce. But as and when we progress, let us say if you take a PySpark, there most of the things are black box for us. We'll not be able to drill down because already we have spent enough time how the distributed processing works as a part of the MapReduce. Wonderful. You have a good time.